Hello and welcome to this video on how to level up your English with smarter word choices. Today, we're going to look at common phrases we use in everyday conversations, like very hot and very tired, and how you can replace them with more expressive alternatives. We'll cover everything from explanations and sentence transformations to quizzes and short reading exercises. By the end, you'll feel more confident in your ability to use advanced vocabulary. Let's get started. Don't say very, boost your vocabulary with simple changes. Let's begin. Don't say very mean. Say cruel. Cruel. Using precise language helps you convey emotions and situations more effectively. Replacing very mean with cruel adds a stronger and more vivid tone to your sentences. The word cruel is commonly used to describe behaviors or actions that are intentionally harmful or harsh. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very mean, cruel, harsh, brutal, unkind, malicious. Cruel. The villain's cruel laughter echoed through the dark forest. Harsh. The teacher's harsh criticism discouraged the student from trying again. Brutal. The brutal truth about his behavior was hard to accept. Unkind. It was unkind of him to mock her in front of everyone. Malicious. The malicious rumor spread quickly and caused a lot of harm. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The manager's very mean behavior upset the employees. His very mean remarks hurt her deeply. The teacher was very mean when she scolded the class. Her very mean attitude alienated her friends. The very mean prank caused a lot of trouble. Her malicious attitude alienated her friends. His brutal remarks hurt her deeply. The cruel prank caused a lot of trouble. The manager's harsh behavior upset the employees. The teacher was unkind when she scolded the class. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. (1) The dictator's blank actions caused immense suffering to his people. A. Very mean. B. Brutal. C. Cruel. 2. Her blank remarks made him question his abilities. A. Unkind. B. Kind. C. Very mean. 3. That house is so blank, it is falling apart. A. Playful. B. Very mean. C. Malicious. (4) The bully's blank behavior towards the younger kids was unacceptable. A. Very mean. B. Cruel. C. Modern. 5. The manager's blank tone upset the entire team during the meeting. A. Shy. B. Harsh. C. Very mean. 6. Spreading blank. Rumors is a sign of insecurity and jealousy. A. Timid. B. Malicious. C. Very mean. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. In the small village of Eldon Brook, the winter was known to be harsh, with biting winds and heavy snow that made life difficult for its residents. Amid these struggles, the villagers faced an additional challenge: a cruel landlord who demanded rent even during the harshest storms. His brutal methods of evicting families who couldn't pay were widely feared. One day, he sent a malicious letter to the baker, accusing her of theft without any evidence. The villagers knew it wasn't true, but the landlord's influence was strong. Despite their kindness, even they could be unkind in their gossip, whispering doubts about her innocence. Yet, the baker, with her warm smile and generous spirit, remained steadfast, proving that compassion could triumph over meanness. Cruel. Don't use very mean, use cruel, to describe someone deliberately causing pain or showing a lack of compassion. Let's proceed with a new one. Don't say, very lazy. Say, sluggish. Sluggish. Very lazy can be replaced with sluggish, to better describe someone or something that is slow-moving or lacking energy. Using this word makes your description more specific and relatable. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very lazy. Sluggish. Inactive. Lethargic. Idle. Unenergetic. Sluggish. After eating a heavy meal, I felt so sluggish that even walking to the sofa seemed like an effort. Inactive. The town remained inactive during the cold winter months, with most shops and restaurants closed. Lethargic. Jessica became lethargic after working long hours every day, barely finding the energy to cook dinner. Idle. Hudson spent the entire weekend idle, refusing to help with chores or even get off the sofa. Unenergetic. His unenergetic attitude towards group projects often left his teammates frustrated and overburdened. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The very lazy cat didn't even chase the mouse. Bruce's been very lazy about completing his assignments. Margot's very lazy when it comes to exercise. They were very lazy during the weekend. The very lazy dog refused to fetch the ball. Margot's lethargic when it comes to exercise. They were inactive during the weekend. The sluggish cat didn't even chase the mouse. The unenergetic dog refused to fetch the ball. Bruce has been idle about completing his assignments. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. After staying up all night, Conrad felt blank the next day. A. Active. B. Cheerful. C. Lethargic. 2. The blank response from the audience disappointed the performer. A. Enthusiastic. B. Unenergetic. C. Very lazy. 3. Lillian remained blank throughout the entire weekend. A. Idle. B. Very lazy. C. Productive. Four. The blank employee was warned to improve his performance. A. Hardworking. B. Inactive. C. Very lazy. 5. The long walk made her feel blank by the evening. A. Sluggish. B. Active. C. Very lazy. 6. The blank bear barely moved from its spot. A. Lively. B. Very lazy. C. Lethargic. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. It was a hot summer afternoon, and the streets of Pinecrest seemed sluggish. The usual hustle and bustle were replaced with an inactive calm, as though the town had fallen asleep under the weight of the sun. At the cafe, Jamie sat with her book, feeling lethargic after a heavy lunch. She wanted to read but couldn't muster the energy. Even the cat lounging on the counter seemed unusually idle, stretching lazily but not moving an inch. Across the street, an old man sat on a bench, his unenergetic posture mirroring the town's mood. Pinecrest might have been quiet, but its charm lay in its ability to make everyone slow down and enjoy the moment. Sluggish. Don't use very lazy. Use sluggish to describe someone moving slowly or lacking energy. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, small changes in your word choices can make a big difference in how fluent and natural your English sounds. Practice using these new synonyms, try the quizzes, and don't forget to transform those basic sentences into more descriptive ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.